Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Thermador freezer not making ice. So as you can see that currently I'm on the official website of thermador.com, and over here in this article they have mentioned the ice maker is not making enough ice cubes. So in order to troubleshoot this problem, they have mentioned some of the things that you can do. So an ice cube may be jammed in the arm that measures the level of the ice cube container. So you need to remove the ice cube container and release the jammed ice cubes with a blunt plastic tool. Do not use sharp or pointy object as this could damage the appliance. Do not leave the ice shovel in the ice cube container. If the shovel is left in the container, the sensor may not detect the correct fill level of the container and will stop producing ice. The ice maker may have just been turned on, or it may just dispense a large amount of ice. From the time the power is switched on, it may take approximately 24 hours before the unit will begin producing ice. Allow 72 hours after the power is switched on for full ice production levels. The ice maker should make 70 to 120 cubes every 24 hours once cooled. The water pressure may be too low, so you need to increase the water pressure. The freezer may be too warm, so you just have to follow this step. The ice maker may not be turned on, so you need to refer to your owner's manual to learn how to turn it on. The water filter is blocked or need to be replaced, so you need to just follow these steps for that. If your appliance is a built-in unit, make sure that the ice bin is inserted correctly to activate the ice bin detection switch. So these are some of the troubleshooting methods that you can use in order to fix this problem. And if none of the method is working for you, you can even contact with the customer service executive. For that, you need to click on this message icon and you can type your message over here, and you can ask for further support to the Thermador customer service executive. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.